my English environment. And how you will do this, let me tell you. The You have to listen some you have, Hello everyone, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Learn English with divyaJyoti. So today in this video I'm going to talk about those people who just decided that yes, I am going to learn English speaking. So if you decided this thing, then what are the questions that comes in your mind? The first thing is, what are the strategies I will follow to become English speaker, how I will learn, with whom I will practice, because it is a language, and for speaking, for learning any language, I need a person with whom I talk. Okay, and then what comes in your mind? If I because the big problem that I don't have anybody. I don't have anybody who will speak with me. I have people in my environment. I'm not saying that I don't have people in my environment, but the main thing that they don't know is speaking English. Okay, so the today I'm gonna resolve every query of yours, that and I will tell you that how you can be fluent in English. And if the biggest problem, that if you don't have any person in your surrounding who will help you to learn this language, then how can you alone can do this thing, because you must have listened many motivational videos or many motivational speeches, and in those speeches you must have got only one thing, that you alone can win this world. You don't need anybody. The main thing that you have to decide, yes, I will do this, and this is what you have to do in your life. From now you have to do. So the first thing that you have to become motivated by yourself. You don't have to make somebody else your motivation, that yes, this person is motivation for mine. Is yes, if you like somebody, then you can surely follow that person. But the main thing that you know what, the biggest thing about motivation is, after one day, after 1 week, it gets low. So this thing you don't have to bring in your speaking journey, in learning journey. Because if this thing comes, then nothing will be happen. Okay, so you have to create motivation, and it will be fructified, it will be fantastic if it comes just by you, not by somebody else. If it is coming by somebody else, then one day it will may become less. Okay, so the first thing that you have to not get demotivated in the beginning, or in the middle, or in the ending. Okay, the first thing. Then the second thing, how you will practice, I'm going to tell you. So you have to make environment. First you have to decide that yes, I will make my environment, my English environment. And how you will do this, let me tell you. The you have to listen English a lot. By and As you are a English beginner, so it will be problematic for you to, if you watch the movies, then you won't understand anything. So the first thing, then that watch short stories of kids English stories will help you a lot, and it is going to uh, understand, you will understand each story. The biggest thing, you will understand each story, and if you understand, then definitely you will grab. Okay, the second thing, that imitation. Okay, how you will imitate. So just assume that you have listened one story, and you are going to write it. Okay, the first thing, that in the beginning you have to do all those things. If you want to really learn, then you have to do all those things. You have to write. You have written that short story, and then you read that story, and then you are going to read it again and again, and then what will happen, then you have to uh, read this, you have to like speak that story, you have to narrate that story without seeing in that notebook, whatever whenever you have written. Okay, so what will happen? It will take some time. It will take more than 2 or 3 hours for the first day, for the second day, and for the third day. But after third day, it will end. This task will end in very less time. Okay, watch cartoons if you like. Then watch cartoons. It will be also very helpful. And how you can use, simply by imitating those stories you can narrate to any person as well. Okay, and the biggest problem that people face that is, this is all okay, but you know what, still I need somebody to speak, still I need somebody to speak. Now what to do? Because you want to get your level, so I want to tell you that for that you can simply record your first day, complete practice, not complete practice, ending practice, like 5 hours you practiced. So last 1 hour please record that, yes, what is the level of yours, and after 1 month just compare. Okay, compare, you will get to know your level. And one more thing as can be possible, like you said that you don't have anybody to speak because your environment is completely Hindi. Okay, so I want to tell you one story. Have you listened that in the ancient times, when people have if a person completed high school or entered 12th grade, then people are considering that person very knowledgeable because that person grabbed that degree, and that degree everybody doesn't have. Okay, so this is a simple thing you have to do. If you have Hindi environment people, if they don't know how to speak English, then sometimes try to talk to them in English. It will be more fructify for you because they don't know you, that you are English is speaking English wrong. They will always motivate you, they will always embrace you, that yes, you're speaking fluently, you're speaking flawlessly, you're speaking amazing. And this will boost your confidence, this will motivate you. Okay, so try to do this thing. Okay, use very simple English so that the person will understand. And if the person is not understanding, leave it. You have to speak. You, the main aim of yours is you have to speak. Okay, and instead of that you want nothing. So just speak whatever comes in your mind, speak. Okay, don't stop your practice. The biggest and important thing is, don't stop your practice, because if you stop your practice, then your aim to become English speaker will stop. Okay, make it enjoyable, enjoy it. If you are speaking anywhere, then enjoy it. Because if you decided that I want to learn English, I want to become English fluent English speaker, then definitely you have to enjoy. Because if you enjoy it, you will be able to do it for a long time, and if you not enjoy it, you will not be able to do it for a long time. Okay, so doing practice and making it enjoyable and talking to other people using very simple words will help you a lot. Watching cartoons or watching English shows, these will very helpful. And with watching, with speaking, write sometimes, because writing is also important. Because when you write, you will think slowly. Okay, you will think slowly, and this is what your practice wants. Okay, so today I'm gonna end this video here, but just tell me that what you are going to do now. if you have decided that yes, I will speak in English from today, so these strategies are going to help you a lot. And try these strategies, and do let me know that whether it is helpful or not. Okay, for today, bye bye, have a good day, take care.